Hey everybody, welcome back to another exciting episode of Bob TV, broadcasted in Philovision. Alright, I got this all bondoed up. I'm ready to start sanding it. Just put some 80 grit. So I can cut it down flat. Gotta get it flat. Remember that. That's rule number one. Gotta get it flat. Overdo it though. Let's save some for that 220. We don't want to sand off anything that we need. Or we'll be bondoing all day. I got this good. This is looking good right here. Just gotta be careful and not take too much off. That edge nice and straight. That's one of the problems. This edge right here wanted to kind of dance around a little bit. I need to stop where I start to sand through. This edge really square on this back side. And that edge really square. So when I mold this up, I'll show you when we get to it. You guys are gonna like that, the way I do these. I don't like to just sweep this dust off. When I'm done sanding, I'll hit this with my sponge. Keep the dust down. keeps it off the floor. That way I don't crack it in the house. She's getting flat now. This next coat of primer, this thing will look like a sheet of glass. This was the issue. This had waves going every different way. This long sanding block should take care of that. No Bondo. Take the old sponge, so we don't just knock that off on the floor. Man, that's looking good right there. That's all looking good now. You guys see that? Yeah. Hit that with my 220. And then, man, one more little spot. Couple. I think I'll hit that with some filler. Just a couple little spots right there. We got one little one here, one right there. That way when I wet sand that, I'm done filling. Get that with some 220. Squirt a coat of primer on it. Oh yeah, I gotta get some dust off the floor. I hate sanding without water, you know. Dust goes everywhere. They're gonna trap it in the house. So I clean up pretty regular. Plus my dogs come out here and you know they sniff around on the floor, and I just don't like them breathing it either.